Hello everyone, and welcome to part 1 of the How to Make a Game Like Blox tutorial. So in this series, we'll just be setting up the main game, getting our basic UI in order, and just setting up some stuff so we can script and make it better. So first, let's create a place. And now that our place has been created, it should look something like this. So what we're going to do is, what you want to have open is your Explorer and your Properties tab. Alright, so we are going to be designing the basic UI first. So we're going to go over to Starter GUI, click that, and click Screen GUI. We're going to call this our status UI. Okay, we're going to click Starter GUI again, and then make another GUI. This will be for, let's see, it's going to be for our level GUI. Okay, 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 so go insert some more. This is going to be our money UI. I'm going to insert a few more. This one is going to be our menu. And this one is going to be our G. This one is going to be our icons. This UI. Okay, so inside the status UI, we're just going to insert a frame. And we're just going to size this like so. So we're going to name it the health frame. So if it, we're going to put this in here. And then we're going to make this color like green. Okay. Make this invisible right quick. You can change this. This is going to be like a grayish color and semi-transparent. It's going to be semi-transparent. This one there. So, the way the health bar is going to work is like when you lose health, right? It's going to get smaller, right? So you can see this. And I'm also going to make a text label. We're going to call this our health. We're going to call this our health label. Okay. Now we're just going to scale it the same as everything else. And then we're going to go do some settings. Going to select text scaled. Gonna be as big as possible. We're going to want to make it invisible. And let's see. We're just going to put a placeholder. 100 out of 100. So when they would lose damage, they would take damage, this bar would get smaller and the number would change, right? Okay. Now that we have this, we're going to move all of this up, or move it away and up. Okay. I'm actually going to use my plugin, Offset to Scale, because if you don't know, what Offset will do is it's relative to your screen. So if you have, it may look good now, but if you use Offset, then it's going to look crazy on like mobile or other screens. So it's always best to use Scale, because that makes it the same for everybody. I'm just going to scale everything. Good. Now we're good. So, we're now going to duplicate, actually no, we're going to make a border for this. Borders, see we have border size pixel, we're going to make it 1. That look good, let's see, 1.5, oh no, 2, 1.2, 2 looks good, I like 2, okay, now let's see 3, now that looks too cartoon, 2, okay, I like 2. Now what we're going to do is duplicate this. Actually, no. What we're going to do is add Never mind, never mind. We're going to duplicate this. Make sure you select everything in it before moving it. Just like everything until you can just drag it down. I want there to be like a little bit of space in between them. Okay, we're gonna call this our energy. Right? This would be the energy when they use moves and stuff. Energy. What should we call this? Energy bar. Energy label. Oh, the frame. So I'll rename this to output bar. And there we go. Okay. Let's see. Let's make this a bluish color. Have that bluish color. Mm, I like this one. Okay. Now we have our little. Now we have our little bars. Let's actually move them down a little bit. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. Well, we got those. We aren't scripting them just yet. Now, going to add our money. We're going to add our money. We're going to work on levels later. We're going to add our money. See a text label. Again, we're going to make this transparent. We're going to add a scaled, text scaled. We're going to make this whatever we want it to be. And then we're going to change the text color to a green color. Because green is money. And then we're just going to drag it down on top of here. And then we're going to offset to scale. This is going to be our money. We're going to rename it to money label. And there we go. Okay, so we're going to go and add a script. No, actually, I'll add a folder into it. We're going to name these spawn scripts. And then we go inside our script. We'll name this player data manager. Then we're going to do some stuff. So local players, and the player service is the endpoint. Get service flows. Players dot player add connect function to get the player object from when the players are added. Player, let's see. Local leader stats equals player to this instance that name folder. Inside the player, we're going to put the folder inside of the player. Leader stats that name is leader stats. Leader stats that player and leader to player. And review what shows inside the leaderboard or their bounty. The money will actually be inside another folder. Local data equals instance that new folder. Data dot parent is equal to player. Data dot name is equal to player data. There we go. I have a leader that's not player data. Local bounty is equal to instance dot name. Int value. Bounty dot name is equal to bounty. Bounty dot parent is equal to difficult leader size. So now we can actually test this to see if our bounty comes up. Let's give ourselves a value. See that value is equal to. What should our value be? Okay. Put a bunch of numbers there. Yeah, like that. Let's test it to see. Seems that we have an error. Let's see. Okay, so I have misspelled it. It's supposed to be leader stats. I put stats. stats. There we go. Okay, there we go. See, we have 300,000 bounty. Gonna be wanted. Okay. So now that worked. We can add some stuff in. Local cash equals distance dot name. End value cash dot name is equal to cash. Let's call it cash. Cash dot parent is equal to data. We're gonna parent this to data because we don't want everybody to see our money. Like value is equal to 0. We'll have 0 cash when we start. Let's see what else should we do. Hmm. I think that's it for right now. Of course, we're going to do an inventory system, but we don't need that now. I'm going to see that later. So right now we have our bounty and our cash. And let's see. Okay, so now let's begin scripting. We're going to insert a local script into the health bar. And here's the script. So we have tween service. Right here, we're getting the tween service. And then right here, we're getting the player. We got the character from the player. We're getting the humanoid. And we're getting the health bar, which is the parent. So health, we're getting the health from the humanoid and the max health. Getting the info for the tween. You can change these if you know what you're doing, the eating styles and the direction if you want to change them. And then yeah, then we just activate the tween. My bad. I'm spacing now. And then we run this function. And then whenever the health is changed, you run this function. Whenever the max is changed, you run this function. So if we go ahead and test this now, you can actually run a command if you have the command bar open. It's view and the command bar right here. So we do workspace dot whatever your name is humanoid colon take damage 5. See the health bar went down. Get spammed a lot. Health bar still goes down. When I take 25 damage, the health bar goes down. Let's see. We could do another 20 damage. 2. There we go. We died. So next step is to actually add the text to change. So what we are going to do is add something else to it. Local health label. Script the parent health label. But as a health label dot text is equal to not equals is equals to string health humanoid dot health and then to string human humanoid dot max health. Okay, so what this does is just sets the text to the health slash the max health. So now we can check to see if it works. And let's see. Let's go run it again. Let's see. See, it actually works. Let's see our health. And then we die. A 0 health. Okay, so now the energy one is a little bit different. We'll go into the energy one inside a later video. But okay, actually we can script this too. Like local script. Local player equals game dot players dot local player. Let's see. Function update text. Local full label equals script dot parent. Label dot value. Label dot text is equal to player data dot cache dot value. So we're sending it to the cache date text, and then we're saying player wait for child, player to wait for child cache change connect uh, connect connect update text. So we're writing the update text function each time the player's money changes. So right now, see we have 0 money. Let's do the health again. Health goes down. Let's see. And the players dot that's one at wherever your name is dot cat dot player data dot cash dot value plus equals 15. So we're getting a bunch more cash. Then we can give ourselves as much as we want. Becoming rich now. We can also do something. Also change the way it looks. Adding a text stroke. I don't really like it that much. Text. Okay, I like that. Okay, so to recap, we made the health these UI, the health, energy, and money. We scripted the health bar and the money script. We scripted the bounty and the cash and the player data. And that's all. We created the place. So I will see you inside the next video where we actually start working on the combat, the first part of the combat. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you inside the next one. Peace.